Hello, good day YouTube! Ang videong ito ay pinamagatang Why Commit to a Life as a Pinoy Endurance Athlete. Ako nga pala si Ben, and if interested kayo all about running, fitness, and related sa pagiging isang endurance athlete, please watch the video. A little backstory about my running journey. Currently, nasa 6 months na ako on my running journey, and as of today, nakatakbo na tayo ng 2 fun runs and 2 half marathons. On my first half marathon is at Cebu Marathon, nakapagtala tayo ng time na 1 hour and 47 minutes at 21 kilometers. And my next half marathon is at Balud Marathon. Nakapagtala naman ako ng 1 hour and 28 minutes. Halos nadagdag ko yung time ko ng 19 minutes, closer to 20 minutes. Currently, I am training for my first triathlon, which is the Talisay Triathlon on Camarines Norte this coming April 27. So, as of this recording, 6 days to go na lang before Talisay Triathlon. Ang masasabi ko lang na difference between training for triathlon and marathons or running, I find triathlons more enjoyable dahil ang pagtakbo ay iisa or monotonous movement lang, kaya hindi natin maiwasang maboard, lalo na sa mga easy day runs. At ito rin ay isang weight-bearing exercise, kaya mas prone tayo sa injury dahil malakas yung impact ng gravity sa ating katawan. Pero, mas mahirap mag-manage ng time natin dahil 3 yung sport na ititrain natin, which is yung swimming, cycling, and running. And back to the title of the video, Why Commit to a Life of a Pinoy Endurance Athlete? Dati pa lang talaga nung bata pa ako is never na talaga ako nag-commit sa iisang sports. Ika nga, yung go with the flow lang tayo. Kung merong basketball, di magbabasketball tayo. Kung merong soccer, di itatry natin yung soccer. Fast forward to now, sa 6 months ko na running journey, I decided to commit myself to being a Pinoy endurance athlete. And what I mean by commit, gagawin natin siya as a lifetime na hobby na natin. And also, dream of becoming one of the top Filipino distance runner. And sa tanong naman na late na ba mag-start ng running journey natin, mag-participate in races, or even competing like me at 27 years old, I think it is never too late. May narinig ako sa interview ni Eliud Kipchoge. Kinukonsider siya na isang running greats in this time. Yung sabi niya na the best time to plant a tree is 25 years ago, but the second best time is today. Ina-apply niya to sa running, although mas maganda nga na magsimula tayo ng mas maaga pa, but it is never too late. If we can run right now, kung kaya naman ng katawan natin tumakbo ngayon, I really recommend na tumakbo na tayo. Kahit hindi naman sa pag-participate ng events or races, kahit sa kalusugan lang natin. And sa tanong naman na why share it in YouTube? Pwede namang hindi. Pwede namang sa akin lang yung journey ko or something like that. Well, for me personally, doing YouTube was also one of the things I want to do. And one of the main things kaya gusto kong gumawa ng YouTube is para ma-practice din yung sarili ko on how to present something, present a story to people. In conversing to other people is the skill that I want to acquire. Nakikita nyo naman na mostly Taglish yung ginagawa ko. And nanghihingi ako ng pasensya sa iba. I think may mga words kasi sa Filipino na hindi ko agad ma-express. Pero madali kong na-express sa English. And the second thing, bakit gusto kong i-share ito sa YouTube, ay dahil marami akong nakikitang mga Western running YouTubers or influencers. Kagaya na lang ni Nick Bester, na isa sa mga unang Western running YouTuber na napanood ko. The Athlete Special, Run to Japan, na kagaya ko rin ay late na nag-start sa pagiging isang distance runner. Sa Olympic caliber athlete naman ay si Christian Blumenfeld for triathlon and Jakob Ingebrigtsen for middle distance running. Pero dito sa Pilipinas ay wala akong masyadong nakikita at bihira yung nag-share ng knowledge sa all about their running journey. Ay wala akong nakikitang YouTuber na active. But a big shout out to Sir Joebs TV na isa sa mga Pinoy running YouTuber na nagbigay sa akin ng inspirasyon para mag-start din ng isang running YouTube. At sana balang araw ay mas dumami pa yung mga running YouTuber or Pinoy athletes na mag-share ng kanilang experiences and knowledge dito sa YouTube. At kung isa kayo sa mga nagsimula ng running, YouTube, or aspiring distance athlete, please give a comment or message me para masuportahan natin yung isa't isa. So yung goal ko sa YouTube channel na ito ay ma-share yung mga experience ko on my journey as an endurance athlete. I share na din sa inyo yung mga knowledge na I have acquired along the journey. And also, makabigay na din ng motivation or inspiration sa mga taong gustong mag-partake sa running or as an endurance athlete. And also, I believe na kahit ano pa yung estado mo sa buhay mo, mayaman ka man, mahirap, matangkad, mababa, as long as kaya mong tumakbo, I believe that running changed my life. And I think it will also change your life too. And that is all for this video. Please join me in my running journey. Like, share, and subscribe. And i-ring nyo na din yung notification bell kung gusto nyo makita yung mga susunod ko pang video. I plan on doing also reviews on my running gears. Yung shoes natin dyan, yung collection natin, like watches, heart monitors, meron ako. And I will share to you guys yung mga nalaman ko and mga tips and tricks na din. Paano tayo tumakbo ng mabilis in a short period of time, as I went from having this time to cutting 20 minutes on my half marathon. Stay tuned, and as always, stay active, God bless, and run safe.